Hi, welcome once again to my channel. This is Hans Pam. Right, so this time what we're going to do is I'm going to demonstrate to you how can we record our songs. Suppose you want to record layer by layer and using a DAW, particularly Audacity. By the way, DAW is means it's a digital audio workstation. So for the meantime, I'll just be using the Audacity. So this is pretty much you can easily download this one. Though I do have also Cakewalk here, but I used to work before in GarageBand. This time I'm not using my Mac. So what we're going to do, of course, my typical setup once again is just with the use of an analog mixer, so which means we just use the computer as our line in. So this once again without the use of a audio interface, but then of course with the use of an audio interface, most likely we could also produce 16 to 24 beat of quality sounds, but this time we might be getting also pretty much near to 16 beat sounds. That's pretty decent for listening though. Right, so what we're going to do is right, let me just of course my setup once again is a mixer. So I will be going to use my electric guitar with with my favorite Tank G multi-pedal effects, and then of course I'm here using with my microphone, a condenser microphone that runs on a Phantom 48 volts. That Phantom power is coming from my 12 channel mixer. Right, so okay, and this time you might be seeing I'm now having my headphones, so pretty much now I'm hearing what I'm saying now over the phone. I mean over the microphone now. Right. So what we can do at the moment before we start up working on our DAW, but once that you have already fully connected all your instrument to your equipment, or your equipments to your music equipments such as mixer, or even if you have also a rig with you, or even you could have, definitely it's much recommended if you have your own audio interface as well. But for me, straight analog, but I'm still have the edge though, because this is considered to be a preamp already, and you can already set all the EQs, you can slides, add on more gain and volumes, and even the effects also as well. So whatever, this definitely an after fader level, all will going to be recorded in our DAW, which is the Audacity. So upon opening your DAW, basically what you are getting is this interface. The most important first is, hopefully you're seeing this, you have to set up your audio. From your audio setup here, you can see the recording device is set to line in. So by the time that I have connected this 3.5 millimeter jack, which is the TRRS, I'm automatically, my computer detected the line in. It comes with my Realtek audio driver, of course. Only the difference if you're working with um, an audio device, audio interface, most likely you'll be having a USB. It's either a Type C or a typical USB 3 or 2, right? So once that it's been set up, of course, you can start recording. Only the thing is, if you want only to listen, the playback device will be on the default speaker. So I'll just open my microphone, and let's try to just listen it later on. Right, what I'm going to do is I'll just go with the guitar track first, and then later on I will put one more layer for the vocals. Right, so which means let me just open up another one, lyrics, of course, side by side, and while we are recording. Right, So this is quite common. I'll be singing Mahal na Mahal Kita Panginoon. So what I'm going to do is now I'll have to turn on uh, the channel for my guitar, and later on I'll hit the record button in the Audacity, and eventually it will supposed to be record. But for the meantime, I want to separate the layer. I want to separate the track for the vocals, and I will not be doing it simultaneously. But anyhow, with an audio interface, of course, I can do it left and right. So I can pan to the right the vocals, and pan to the left the guitar, and simultaneously it will be recorded two tracks. For the meantime, I don't have that one because that stereo had been clubbed together through a 3.5 millimeter jack. Right, let me grab my guitar first. Okay, so I will going to turn off uh, uh, the vocals, and later on I'll be turn it on once again, right? Just for a demonstration. This will gonna be it will be quiet a bit for a while, and I'll show you why I do that one though, because I don't want to do it simultaneously. But anyhow, if I'll do it simultaneously, both the guitar and and my microphone will be going to be recorded. So anyhow, so for demonstration purposes, I can show it to you though. So let me start recording. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Kailan may di papalit, pagkat sa piling mo'y laging mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Right, so let's stop that one, and I'll show you once that I'm going to play back this one, so that it will be here in my condenser mic. Okay. There's a hissing sound, of course. Oh, I forgot. I was in the distorted one. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Right. At least now you're now hearing both my vocals and my guitar. I forgot it was in distortion. Okay. So which means my intention is I want to record first the guitar. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off first the vocals. I mean the volume there on my slider in the mixer, so that I could capture the guitar individually. All right. So for the meantime, I'll just put it in chorus. So you might be hearing now this one now, right? So let me just turn off the volume first on my condenser mic. All right, there you go. So this time I have already recorded the the audio, but this time what I'm going to do is I will going to make a new track, and that track will going to be the vocals. Actually, I can rename this audio, this first track, as the guitar. I can type it there, guitar, right? Let's maximum this one. And if you want to listen though, now let's listen this one. You can just only really hear the guitar, right? Yeah, this is the sound of the guitar. Yeah. But the best thing with this one, actually, if you're recording, you're not supposed to to send this one straight away from your speaker while you're having your condenser mic. Definitely it will pick up the sound. And the only solution that I can do is uh, I think I can connect this one to a Bluetooth device, or either I'll I'll send this to my mixer and connect this one as a Bluetooth, and it will going to be a background. There will be a background sound on my device. Okay, this is a bit tedious, but what I will do is now I will not going to use my headphone. I will connect this computer to my 12 channel mixer via a Bluetooth, right? So let's see how it works. 1 second. Okay, let me just bring down my guitar. Hopefully it's not connected to my phone, because my phone is connected to this device. Let me just, in case it's connecting though. Alright, it's not. Let me find a Bluetooth there, and I will show the Bluetooth devices. Okay. Okay, I will be adding a Bluetooth. Okay, you see that there is a tag G here. Okay, BS B8. Okay, Bluetooth speaker. I think this is the one, BT speaker. Right, I will connect this one. Now you can see that my my computer audio is connected via now with the mixer. So only thing that I can hear this, most likely I can only hear it here in my headphone, or probably I can open my control monitor here. Let me try to check it if it works though. Oops, I think I have to select that output. Okay, again, now it would be in BT speaker, right? So once again, oh sorry, that is for the PC. I have to play back the device on the speaker audio. Okay, audio setting. I might be playback, setting the playback. Let me go to my setting. Actually, I'm already in the setting device, but let me check if possible I can do a default setting for my sounds. No, no, sounds. Let me go to sound. All right. I'm expecting the output would be in the BT speaker. It's already there actually. Only the problem is I could not set it straight now here. Or either if this is, I will save it. I save the project. I'll just name this one Mahal na Mahal Kita. Mahal. Mahal Kita. Right. Right. It's my purpose is just I wanted to recognize the output the output sounds audio will be playback would be on the Bluetooth. There you go. It's you see that one there now. Right. So I think I can reopen that file. Mahal na mahal kita. Hopefully the playback is still in the BT. Okay. So let me just play it once again. Okay, now you're not hearing it because it is in my headphone. But I open up my control speaker and hopefully it will come out there. Okay, let me try to play it once again. Actually, I'm not hearing it. Uh, it's quite difficult to record if I'm not hearing this sounds. Right. Okay, I think now I got the problem. It's not on my mixer. This is no output I have connected there, but I still have one channel for left speaker. Let me try to send it there, but I'm afraid with with uh, with with the feedback due to my condenser mic. Let me try this one though. I will going to turn on one of my speaker. All right, it was coming out from this from the left channel speaker, But only one problem was I could not play along with my condenser mic because the condenser mic level is too high really. And the speaker is only beside me here at my back, so really it picking up the signal, and the feedback is too loud. So I'm trying my level best to do some other alternative. How can I listen to this music while I'm going to be recording? Uh, yeah, because currently I'm on my OBS and I'm also capturing this demo. If I don't have in OBS, definitely I can straight away record this one through an headphone. I can listen that one. But for now, okay, let me think. What is the most easiest way for me to send out this background, this first track, so that I could record it at the same time. The moment, because the problem is, okay, if I'm recording it, the output is from the speaker, it will going to be picked up from my condenser mic. Right, so maybe let me just try that one though. Could be that's the best way to do it. Let me return it back my speaker and send it back to the speaker audio. Right. Similarly also here. Oh no, not this one. Right. The playback will be on the speaker. Right. And just for the record, okay, I will create a new track, a mono track, and I will name this one as my vocals. Okay, vocals. Right. So let's hear it for a while. Hello, hello sounds. All right. Now I will try to record it now. The problem is the sound will going to pick up by my condenser mic. Okay, so I'll be recording on the second track now. Maybe I'll start over here. Right, see, I'm seeing a lot of distorted already. Right, but I need the lyrics with me. Right. Okay, so let me start recording now. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Kailan may di kita ipagpapalit, pagkat sa piling mo'y lagi. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal, mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Kailan may di kita ipagpapalit, pagkat sa piling mo'y lagi. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Habang buhay, papupurihan ka. Habang buhay, maglilingkod sa'yo. Habang buhay, papupurihan ka at ialay. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Kailan may di kita ipagpapalit, pagkat sa piling mo'y langit. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal kita, mahal kita, Panginoon. Okay, that's it. I think I did a mistake on one of the part of the lyrics in the chorus, pero sige. Just for the record, let me just want to hear this, how it sounds like. So you see the distortion, it's picking up also the guitar. It should be, this one should be flat though. And until such I start singing after the intro, doon pa lang magkakaroon ng waves. But this is the best way I could do. That's why it's coming like nagkakaroon ng echo. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Right, the best thing with this later, I can play this one straight away like this, but I will turn off now the microphone. And one layer will going to be the drums. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. I can increase the guitar. Right, so it's a bit distorted though. Yeah. It's a bit distorted, but we'll just do a backtrack for the drums. Let's try to add one more track, and it's set as mono. Yan. Tapos I'll just name this one audio as the drums. Right. Okay. For the drums, of course I have to turn off this one then. Mas maganda siya i-turn off kasi I'm going to use now the electronic drums so that it won't pick up here as well. Katina kasi I don't know, I don't have any possibility that I could only hear it on my headphone. Para sana clean ang voice, but this time it doesn't matter, just for the anyhow I can redo this one once again, as long as I could just complete all the instrument, and later on I can make another vocal tracks for this. Right, so this time what I'm going to do is I will turn on the drums, and of course later I will turn down the volume because it's will going to pick up once again. Parang mag bass lang ako on this track while it comes with the sound, and I will make a beat though. Okay, this time I'm going to start recording, but one sec so that you can see me play the drums. But you won't be hearing anything though, kasi I will be turning off the 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 condenser mic, right? So pero maglalan ako ng record here. So technically I can hear the sound coming out from my computer. Alright, let's try this one now. Let me turn off the mic. right. You know what? I never realized that I don't have also monitor with me. Yeah. Technically, I'm not hearing also. I'm not literally hearing also what I'm doing in the drums basically. Yeah, I can hear the vocals, I can hear the guitar. And you can see it from my recording now. Uh, Tatlo na yung yung tracks ko. Okay, but let's see if it works though. Let me listen. Hmm. Okay. Pretty decent though. It's okay lang din naman. I think my guitar is a bit too loud. You know what? I'm just only hearing the top of the rubber of my electronic drum. So I'm totally never hearing this spot. That's cool though. Pwede na rin kahit paano. Only it's a bit distorted, no? Yeah, because I'm pretty much literally reaching the peak on my audacity level. The drum is kind of not on tempo, sometimes getting slow. Wow. Okay, there you go. So basically that's all. I can just save this one as just a typical project so that if I want to do some adding of some tracks, I can still work on that and doing some tweaks though. But the most good thing with this audio, I mean, this digital audio workstation is we could export this into a file, right? So either you can do it in MP3, WAV, FLACs, and that makes your format depends on your computer. But I would rather to export it and compress it into MP3. So there you go. So I'll just name this one as Mahal na Mahal Kita .mp3. It will be saved in my desktop, and the format will be MP3. Probably I'll just set it to stereo, right, with the sample rate 44,100 megahertz. So that's fair enough though. And bit rate, modes, preset, and quality standard, right? So entire project will be exported upon setting up that one. It will be compressed, right? So I think I got the file now. I'll be getting the file somewhere here. Where did I save that one? I save it here in the desktop technically. Did I save it in the desktop? I don't remember. I think I save it in the music. Oh, So that's the problem. Where did I export that one? 1 second. Export audio, export computer. It was in OneDrive desktop actually. It was there in the desktop. Hansel OneDrive. Hansel OneDrive. Oh yeah, it's over here. See. So if I'm going to play this one, definitely you are going to hear it from my microphone. And there you go. Now,
Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita,
alright, so that would be it. This is quite a very simple demonstration on how to record your music using digital audio software or workstation. Particularly, you could have different audio DAW software. For this demonstration, we just use the simple Audacity. You can easily download that. And of course, please recording it would be great if you have an audio interface or you have a mini mixer with you. And instead of course, we need to convert it in more better quality in the digital file, because everything that we're doing outside of the computer are considered to be extra. So there you go. So thank you very much once again for tuning in, and